Hello everyone, it's your girl Itsdymaeshia here, and today I am going to be doing a recreation look of Melanie Martinez's new look for her upcoming album called Portals, and I am so excited to show you guys how I did this look. I am so thrilled and so happy that the way this makeup look had came out. Now this is my second attempt doing this look, and this time I just did my eyes, and this look I had did is on TikTok, so you guys could check it out down in the description below, okay? Because girl, I was so hyped. Now before I started the makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the ears because I'm not gonna gatekeep, okay? Therefore, I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough of how to do the ears and how to draw it out. It's pretty simple. Now you could design your ears however you want, whether you want to color it pink or use the color of your skin tone or whatever color you want to use. Now it'll be a separate video on how to do the ears. If you're here for the makeup tutorial, then you can skip this part because I know you want to do this look. Now to create the ears, now these are the must-have requirements that you need to use, which is 2 pieces of paper, your art supplies, where there could be crayons, color pencils, or markers, and a pair of scissors. For step 1, you're going to grab your 2 pieces of paper and stick them together by using tape or glue, but you must put it around the paper and not like towards it and apart. Now for step 2, you want to sketch out the ear, just one ear. Add little details of the ears and how you want it to look. I know there's 2 different looks that have designed the ears. You guys can see in these 2 photos, they both will have different ear designs, but you could choose which ear design you want to recreate. Moving forward to step 3, you want to grab your pair of scissors. Now you want to cut out the ears, and now you should have 2 ears. You should not have 1 ear. Now again, keep this in mind. We go back to step 1. Tape or glue the outside of the paper. I mean to only glue and tape outside of the paper so that when you cut out the ear, they should be 2 ears. They should not be sticking together or be 1 ear. You want to wear 2 ears. After you cut out the ears, you want to sketch out the other side of the ear, and you want to make sure they look identical to each other. Now moving on for step 4, you can use any art mediums that you have. For example, like crayons for color pencils, markers, color pencils, and you want to color the outline of the ears by using a dark color like dark brown, or whatever color you want to design your ears, like pink, purple, blue. Use like a dark shade of that color. And the reason why you want to use a dark color so that it will give it like that gradient, realistic look. And now you want to shade out the ears. Now you can either use the dark color that you shade the outline and you color it lightly, or you can use a lighter shade that you use to color the outline of the ears. For step 5, you can either use the same art supply that you use to color the outline and shading the ears, or you can use a different art medium, which is marker, crayons, or color pencil. And you want to color out the ears and shade a little bit of the outside of the ears. And you can use a darker color to color out the outline of the ears. Now we're here for the final step. You're going to use a coloring pencil to shading the ears using a dark color. So whatever color you use for your ears, like pink or purple, blue, whatever, use a darker color so that it could give it that realistic, that rough look. So this is how the ears look. Okay, I prefer you guys to do the ears before doing the makeup look. You can add your little accessories to the ears to make it look cute and aesthetic. I really love this look so much. Melanie Martinez really inspired me to just try different looks and try to do like different makeup looks besides me just doing a regular makeup tutorial. And I love to draw, so with my artistic skills and makeup, it goes really hand in hand. I'm just really happy and thrilled to do this look again and that it came out really good. I already did this look before, and I also did a tutorial on TikTok of this look, and I painted my chest and my face pink, and I also did the ears pink as well. I am so excited for this album to drop too. It's going to drop this Friday on the 31st. I'm so excited to listen to it, you know, and I just been waiting for this moment to come. First, she had announced her album like out of nowhere, and I was not expecting her to drop that album earlier than I think, but I'm so happy that, you know, the time is coming because it's like around the corner. And next thing you know, the album will be here. We're going to be listening to it and streaming it. So I'm a big Crybaby fan, and for me to recreate this look again, I really feel like I'm channeling her, like mentally. I know that sounds kind of a bit weird, but since I'm doing this look, I feel like I'm channeling her. Like, yes, I can literally sense her essence, her energy, period. And I also can't wait for this new era, you know, the new style, a new sound of Melanie Martinez, okay? Because To be very honest, with an artist, I like them to like change or try their sound, their music, and it gives it like that very much that versatility and that creativity, you know, and what they're really capable of. I really don't want them to stick to the same old style and the same old thing, because over time it will be, I don't want to say boring, but a little bit repetitive, you know, and you'd be like, man, I want this like a change for this artist to like release like a different sound in their music, a different style. I can't wait for this new era. A lot of people didn't like the new look, you know, they're gonna miss Crybaby. I understand, I miss her too, but baby, it's time for a change, okay? To be very honest, I'm just very happy for her, you know, in this new style. I heard some of the snippets. I just can't wait for it to drop. Now, I'm not gonna talk too much about the whole video because I see I kind of talk almost halfway to the video, so I'm gonna let you guys watch the makeup tutorial. And you guys haven't yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on, get notified whenever I upload. Like the video and share this video to your friends, whoever that wants to recreate this look, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. there you guys have the Inspiration Melanie Martinez Portals makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed the makeup video. If you guys do, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave that notification bell on to get notified where I upload. Share with your friends that want to recreate this look. Follow my social media in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And bye.